Okay, here in Kulaman, I show you the factory. Here you can see the machines are installed.
This is the corn mill.
This is
The corn mill.
this is corn mill.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. That's the product. This one is the yung sa kape, rice holder.
Okay, that's the
And
coffee.
that one, the blue one is rice mill. This one
Rice-
is the coffee
Okay.
holder. This one the
So one machine is rice mill, one for coffee milling, and one for corn mill.
yeah.
Here I want to show you something very interesting. This is the Blackstone diesel engine.
Oh, Blackstone.
And here you can see Blackstone is 1940s original stock condition engine, and
Makita yung
here you can see the marking of the original plate. The information is here. This is still working. Yes, single piston this one, and very heavy duty engine.
started.
Okay, here is the Blackstone going to be start. What is that he pushing the key? What's that?
Kwan, product. Diesel, pumping the diesel.
Okay, that's the way to start the Blackstone 1940 engine, which is a really impressive machine. It's working till now. The pump is already done, like injecting the oil. And here, can I see the key, brother? Show me the key.
Okay, ang kuno ang kita niya na.
The key.
Pakita daw ko sa
Yeah, can I see? Oh, this is the manual key to start up. And here is going the Blackstone going to be start. 1940s. Wow. Impressive startup. This one.
24.
How many HP is that Blackstone?
24 sir.
24 HP is that engine. Single piston. Impressive startup. Very cool startup. I like this machine. If somebody want to buy this Blackstone, would you like to sell?
Yes, sir.
How much? 5 million?
Yes.
Oh, that's okay. If somebody want to buy this Blackstone from brother Jerick, he is selling this engine 5 million peso. You can buy it. Going to start up the engine is over there running. Wow. So here is like a clutch system. This is the belt shifter. Now the whole machine is start. RPM is settled. turn, enter in this side, and then it's go here. It have a elevator, go up there, drop there. Yeah. That is the factory of local coffee producer here in Kulaman. Let me show you the Blackstone from closely. Here you can see the close-up of the Blackstone. This one. Blackstone is over there running up. 1940s, still working in 2026. Here is working load speed not to exceed 900 rpm. 936, 1920, 1500. Look, antique World War I machine, Blackstone, impressive. 1940s. Wow. So this is the field where they dry the rice, they dry the coffee, they dry the corn, and the machines you already see. That is the Kulaman local coffee production factory here. I hope you like this factory, this machine, and especially the Blackstone. So if you like it, thumbs up. If you want to buy it, he's selling 5 million peso, one engine, still working. Here is the warehouse.
Stock of the coffee, if you have a buyer.
Oh, this is the
Coffee
beans.
ready to roast.
Oh, ready to roast. Here is the coffee beans that you see, not yet roasted, and they are ready to roast. So here is the stock. Whenever you want to buy the containers of the coffee bean, Brother Jarek is the local manufacturer of this Kulaman coffee and corn. You can purchase from him, even containers of the coffee. Imagine one engine power up the entire factory. Horsey. Any kind of industry is actually backbone of the country economy. So this kind of production definitely very supportive to the local economy, to the country contribution. So thank you for watching. See you until the next. Take care.